Hello, my name is Antonia Dittner. I'm talking to you from London, where I work as a clinical psychologist, leading a team that specialises in psychological support for adult ADHD and autism. Thank you very much to BABCP for inviting me to the annual conference in Manchester to deliver a workshop on CBT for adult ADHD. The workshop will focus on using formulation to tailor interventions to your individual clients to address core symptoms and also to help with associated emotional distress. We'll also consider some challenges for adults with ADHD in accessing CBT and how to adapt the style and the content of our work to overcome these. I hope the workshop will provide an understanding of the psychological needs of adults with ADHD and provide some practical ways to support them and also increase your confidence. I'm really looking forward to coming to the conference. I'm looking forward to the sharing of ideas. I always come away feeling inspired. I look forward to interesting conversations about how we can adapt our approaches and services to better meet the needs of our clients. I'm looking forward to meeting lots of new people and to reconnecting with others who I haven't seen in person for some time. I hope to see you in Manchester in July. Thank you.